Assalamu alaikum. Last time you have learnt about friction, which is a natural force. Today we will discuss about gravity, which is also a natural force. Gravity is a force which pulls things towards each other or the center of the earth. Gravity is a force of attraction. It never repels the object. The concept of gravity is given by a scientist, Sir Isaac Newton. One day, Newton was sitting under an apple tree when an apple fell to the ground. He thought, why did it fall? No one can push or pull. He realized that there must be a force that pulled it towards the earth. He called this force gravity. Like magnetism, gravity cannot be seen, but it can be felt. It is the force which keeps the planets orbiting around the sun and stops you from floating into the space. Now we will discuss about what is mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. It is a constant quantity. It cannot be changed where you are. Mass is measured in kilograms. Now we will discuss about weight. Weight is the force. Actually, it is the amount of gravitational force acting on an object. On Earth, it is caused by the force of attraction between the Earth and all the objects on its surface. The greater the distance, the less the force of attraction. As weight is a force, so it is also measured in Newton. Here is an example in which you can understand how weight of an object is changed and mass is not changed. An object which has 60 kilogram mass weighs 600 Newton on the earth. However, on a moon which is smaller than the earth, its mass remains 60 kilogram but its weight will be vary, which is 100 Newton. Why? Because the weight of a moon is 6 times less than the weight of earth, or you can say the gravity on the earth is 6 times greater than the gravity on the moon.